Halli, hallo, hier ist die Frau Walker, and in this video I'm just going to quickly review how to complete Mastery Check number 4 in Unit 5. Okay, so you are going to be ordering from a German restaurant, and you're going to be describing 2 dishes and 1 drink first after you are introduced or after you are asked by me, was bekommen Sie? Both partners are going to do this, and we will be doing partners this time. So 2 different dishes and 1 drink. As you continue on down, I'm going to say, hier sind die Gerichte, presenting you with the food and drinks. And then you are going to respond, thank you. Both of you need to be doing it in 2 different ways. There's many different ways to say thank you in German. Then I will ask you, brauchen Sie noch was? If you need anything else, brauchen Sie noch was? And each of you need to ask me for some kind of tool for the meal. Like maybe, let's say, I forgot 1 knife for a partner, and maybe for the other partner, I forgot a napkin. Who knows? Any kind of tool that you need for the table. Then after that, one of the partners will ask to pay. I will tell you that the bill is das macht 34,87 €, and then the other partner will pay and tip at the same time. Make sure that you're watching the culture videos on that. Things that you need to include in your grammar. Each partner is going to need to be saying different kinds of vocabulary words, so there's absolutely no repeating at all, please. And then the second thing you will need to do is make sure that you're using the polite ways to ask for food. So those modals of dürfen and, of mögen und möchten, you can check those out. I believe that those are in the either should do's of lesson 2 or should do's of lesson 3. So make sure that you go back and check those out. You have done these before, so taking a look at those should do's should just be a really quick review, and we will be reviewing that in class together to make sure that everybody's on the same page. Okay, you guys are going to do great. Viel Glück, ihr schafft es. Auf Wiedersehen. Tschüssi.